Hyundai has revealed the all-new 2027 Tucson, giving its popular SUV a completely new design, larger dimensions, and a redesigned interior. The latest Tucson moves away from the styling of the current model in favor of a more rugged and boxy appearance. The 2027 Hyundai Tucson is now 4.7 meters long, an increase of 60 millimeters, and it's also 40 millimeters wider and 20 millimeters taller than before, helping create additional passenger space. Visually, Hyundai has adopted its latest Art of Steel design language, with sharper bodywork, strong geometric lines, and a more upright SUV profile. A distinctive illuminated H-shaped lighting signature appears at both the front and rear, giving the new Tucson a clear identity at night. The cabin has also been completely redesigned. Hyundai's new Pleos infotainment system takes center stage with a large touchscreen, while a separate slim digital instrument display sits directly in front of the driver. Importantly, Hyundai has retained several physical controls below the main display for easier access to key functions. Materials including perforated upholstery, wood effect trim, and ambient lighting give the interior a more premium appearance, while the larger body is designed to improve overall passenger comfort and practicality. Hyundai has not yet revealed the 2027 Tucson's engine and powertrain specifications. More technical details are expected before the new Tucson goes on sale in South Korea later in 2026, with other markets expected to follow in 2027. Guys, what do you think about the new Tucson? Please let us know in the comments. Thanks.